Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the Coin Monks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Thousands of Bitcoin ATMs to be installed across America. Also, studies show 2.3 million Bitcoins have not moved in more than 10 years. Industrial Bitcoin mining breathes new life into tiny Texan town. Axie Infinity and DYDX overtake NFT platform OpenSea in DApp's revenue. Crypto Games, the first ever online crypto casino to support Solana deposits. So let's start up with our video. Firstly, it recently came to news that thousands of Bitcoin ATMs were installed in the US. Dude, wow, I wonder how many people possess it. Weird, but okay. And at my place, it won't make a difference because crypto is still not good at microtransactions. Is it? Sad, but did I just tell indirectly that I'm too broke in terms of Bitcoin? Well, Also, studies have shown that almost 2.3 million Bitcoins haven't moved for 10 years. Dude, I even get moved from motivational speeches. Shit, that was lame. Anyways, well, I guess we should move forward with our inscription. Bitcoin ATMs have the ability to help the king coin become more widely accepted. If that's the case, one country stands out as the clear leader. After all, the US currently has the most Bitcoin ATMs and teller machines in the world. However, a new alliance could bring thousands more in the near future. Bitcoin Latinum announced a 3-year partnership with OSO ATMs to build cryptocurrency ATMs across the United States. According to a press release from Bitcoin Latinum, as part of the partnership, OSO ATM will help Bitcoin Latinum install 1 lakh ATMs across all 50 US states where users can easily buy LTNM tokens by using their fiat currencies. OSO ATMs reportedly wanted to deploy 25,000 ATMs by the end of January 2022, according to the press release. Bitcoin Latinum and Bitcoin are listed as available currencies. It's worth mentioning, though, that Bitcoin Latinum was untracked at the time of publication and there was little information on CoinMarketCap regarding it. It's crucial to remember that crypto ATMs must be safeguarded after they've been deployed. Cryptocurrency's decentralized and largely unregulated nature makes it tough to track down misplaced funds. Furthermore, as previously reported, there have been instances of double spending transactions. So guys, be cautious enough. Moving with the next part, Lex Moskovsky, CIO of Moskovsky Capital, said, as people lose their bitcoins, your bitcoins automatically become more valuable. 23,36,996 BTC has never moved in 10 plus years, effectively lost. He admitted that this is a blessing in disguise because the lost coins create a supply shortage, increasing the value of circulating bitcoins. Meanwhile, MicroStrategy's BTC holdings have risen another notch, with the premier business intelligence firm increasing its bitcoin holdings by 8,957, valued at $550 million in the third quarter of 2021. Its portfolio had grown to 1,14,042 BTC by September. MicroStrategy is one of the most well-known corporations to have entered the Bitcoin market. Meanwhile, economist Alex Kruger recently stated that the Bitcoin market is less leveraged than observers believe, citing the CME as the catalyst for the current rise in open interest. Furthermore, on-chain expert Will Clemente stated that the BTC market's turbulence should not damper the crypto community's spirits because Bitcoin whales have been spending like crazy in the last 2 weeks. So moving forward with our next segment, Bitcoin indeed has a positive impact on society, but this is quite good to know. Imagine getting basic services on your backward town so that proper Bitcoin mining can be done. Sounds cool, right? Well, I hope they provide unlimited free Wi-Fi in near future. Just kidding. So our next inscription is, in the little Texas town of Rockdale, major Bitcoin miners have set up shop in a disused aluminium smelting factory. In a small Texas town, two Bitcoin mining behemoths are squabbling over inexpensive electricity. BitDeer, a mining company split out of Chinese giant Bitmain, and Riot Blockchain, one of the most well-known publicly traded Bitcoin mining companies in the United States, are both using data centers in the Texas town of Rockdale. The town's aluminum smelting factory was formerly the world's largest, but it was shut down in 2008 by the company that ran it, Alcoa. The facility's energy capacity was squandered from Alcoa's departure until the miners set up shop, according to Lee Bratcher, president of the Texas Blockchain Council. Despite being a small rural town with a population of only 5,600 people, Rockdale offers all of the advantages sought by industrial-scale miners. Crypto-friendly politicians, large plots of lands with abandoned industrial infrastructure ripe for repurposing, and dirt-cheap electricity thanks to Texas's deregulated market. The partnership between the local grid operator, the Electrical Reliability Council of Texas, and miners, according to Rockdale Mayor John King, is mutually beneficial. He stressed that miners use electricity that would otherwise be wasted on a regular basis and that they can quickly shut down operations if power is required elsewhere. He continued. Miners agree to purchasing a set amount of power which then they sell back for a profit at market. They have a contract for 2 or 3 cents per kilowatt hour which they can sell for $9 per kilowatt hour. Senator Ted Cruz described mining as a way to capture natural gas that the state now burns, and Texan lawmakers are pushing for a larger expansion of the state's Bitcoin mining industry. Cruz claimed that natural gas is now being flared in West Texas because there is no transmission equipment to get that natural gas would typically be employed during the Texas Blockchain Summit on October 10. Mine Bitcoin with that power. Part of the beauty of it is that you're immediately benefiting the environment because instead of flaring natural gas, you're putting it to good use, he added. Moreover, gaming and crypto together have been increasing in the news lately, hasn't it? Do tell me in the comments if you've ever played any blockchain or crypto game. So many gaming companies have been competing each other on a revenue basis, and our next inscription covers the same. As the frenzy surrounding NFT fades, decentralized gaming platforms have begun to gain popularity. Over the last month, gaming platforms like Axie Infinity have seen the most revenue from dApps. Colin Wu, a well-known crypto journalist, observes Axie Infinity continued to lead the way with $190.9 million in dApp revenue in the last 30 days. With the NFT market cooling, DYDX topped OpenSea in agreement income with 30D $66.9 million. Axie Infinity has had a tremendous increase in value over the last 3 months, increasing more than 200%. As Facebook revealed its rebranding for an aggressive push to Metaverse, AXS hit an all-time high of $162 last week. Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game platform, has recently garnered a lot of traction. Users purchase Axie characters as NFT to play the Axie Infinity blockchain game. It allows players to acquire, breed, grow, battle, and trade Axies, which are token-based animals. Users can play against other users after they have a set of 3 Axies. Several cryptocurrencies associated with gaming and the metaverse have recently experienced a surge in popularity. Following Facebook's rebranding, Decentraland has risen 300% in the last 4 days. This year has seen a strong NFT craze with trading volumes reaching multi-year highs. Despite the fact that volumes and revenue earned have decreased, the metaverse's advances may fuel increased demand for NFTs. NFTs, according to William Quigley, co-founder of stablecoin Tether and a cryptocurrency pioneer, can create a robust business model for the metaverse. Quigley stated in a Bloomberg interview that the metaverse will drastically alter how we engage in the virtual world. He added, "When it happens, it really is hard to imagine and hard to overstate the impact. I'm betting that the revenue model for the metaverse is going to be NFTs. In video gaming, the revenue model is now virtual items, and that's a $175 billion business annually. I think the metaverse should be orders of magnitude more than that because it's everything. It's just not gaming. This is the start of a new universe, and we may see good synergies between the crypto and metaverse worlds in the near future." So moving towards our last update for today, how many of you play casino? I do. On Discord though, not in real life. I play via in-server currencies on Discord. It's a nice time pass. I advise you to try once if you're too scared like me to devote money in real life. With that being said, our next inscription is, the rise in popularity of cryptocurrencies has had a significant impact on the online gaming sector in recent years. While the benefits of cryptocurrency are a significant part of the culture, the dependability of digital platforms is just as important in bringing it to light and utilizing it effectively. To provide the greatest services, online casinos, particularly those focused on cryptocurrency, must stay up with the latest developments or trends in the digital world. Crypto Games is an excellent example of a well-run online crypto casino. The cryptocurrency-based online casino is the first of its kind in the gambling industry to accept Solana as a form of payment. Crypto Games has gained the trust of tens of thousands of people around the world by consistently providing unbreakable digital security, reliability, and user efficiency. Crypto Games has announced a game changing change at the casino to elevate their services to a whole new level. Solana is the 10th cryptocurrency introduced by Crypto Games, which can be used to play dice and other games. Solana may now be used to make deposits, withdrawals, and bets at the casino. The ability to scale is a must have feature for all cryptocurrencies in the market. In addition to scalability, new blockchains must demonstrate protocol compatibility and cheap transaction costs. Solana thankfully fulfills all of the aforementioned requirements. Solana can perform 50,000 transactions in a single second because to its optimistic concurrency control technique. On its website, Crypto Games offers a total of 9 casino games, including dice, which can all be played with Solana. It has also been completely enabled for flexible fund transfers at any time. Each Solana transaction requires a minimum deposit of 0.001 Solana. Any sum less than that will be deducted from the account of the user. The system will require at least one network confirmation for a Solana deposit, which will take a few seconds. Because of its ability to create smart contracts and huge scalability, the blockchain has acquired the moniker Ethereum Killer. Furthermore, Solana's network security is ensured by cryptographic timestamping, commonly known as proof of history, which implies that crypto gambling on Solana will be not only efficient and safe, but also quick and environmentally friendly. Visit Crypto Games to be among the first to experience Solana in the gambling industry. So we would now wind up with our assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews, and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.